Let's talk about some tips to avoid being tricked when shopping online. First, I will read the advice from Ask the Police. Then I will dive into understanding some of the tips that they mention. And if you've been tricked or scammed, when should you say to yourself, "No more Mr. Nice Guy, I want to take legal action"? And then I will end with introducing you to a free support service. So let's get started. Welcome to Ask the Police, where public questions are answered by PNLD and read by Karen Cole. So this is public question 552. Have you got any tips for purchasing goods online, and do they only apply when bought in the UK? Buying and selling items on the internet is quick, easy, and offers a wide range of choice. Here are some few simple steps to follow to ensure you stay safe while shopping online. Always buy from a reputable site. Read through their terms and conditions, and always remember to log out when you've finished. If using an internet auction site, check the seller's reputation and take time to read their guides issued by them. If goods are advertised substantially cheaper than elsewhere, be careful as it may not be genuine. If buying from a private seller, make sure you have full contact details, not just their email and mobile telephone number. Be wary of sending cash and money orders. It is advisable when paying over £100 to use a credit card, as it offers the best protection in case anything goes wrong. When entering a payment details, make sure the website is secure. A small padlock should appear at the bottom of the screen, and the URL should read https:// and the S stands for secure. Consider using an online payment option such as PayPal. Never pay by direct bank transfer. Avoid using public Wi-Fi when online shopping. Hackers can intercept passwords and credit card details. Action Fraud is the UK's National Fraud Reporting Centre. If you come across something suspicious when shopping online or something seems too good to be true, you can report it via their website. Additionally, the UK European Consumer Centre provides free and impartial advice for anyone who is experiencing problems when purchasing goods in other European countries. So I encourage you to check out the Ask the Police, and I've left direct links below. So it's important to understand some of these tips' meanings. For example, just seeing an S in the URL code they are saying means secure. But don't get secure confused with being legitimate. Anyone can set up a website. Secure in this context means that the information you submit is encrypted. If there is no S after the HTTP, the data that you enter, such as your name and address, your credit card number, is readable in plain text, meaning hackers can see all your personal data that you've typed in. Another tip that was mentioned that I think needs a little bit further explanation so that you know where to make the complaint to is when they say use PayPal. So PayPal is secure and it allows non-account holders to pay with a credit card. If you have a PayPal account, then you will be asked how you want to pay for something. Do you want to use your money in your PayPal, or do you want to use a card linked to your PayPal? So whichever way you've decided to pay, that's the company that you have to go complain to. If you've used a credit card, then complain to your credit card company. If you've used your bank account linked to it, just check out to see if you've used a debit card, then that means you would have to go to your bank to make the complaint. And if you've used your PayPal, then you would go to PayPal themselves. What legal recourse is there? When should you start a legal process or action? If your situation is complicated, get legal advice straight away. as soon as you become aware of the problem. For example, online agreements have a cooling off period. And this short video cannot possibly address all the different legal options that may be available to you, depending on your situation. When you shop online, my tip is to keep a notepad with you to jot down important information, or do screenshots of who you're paying, what you're paying for, the date, and how you paid, as not having this information will slow the process down when taking legal action. For free support about money guidance, I have found this organization called Money Helper. So pause this video to get their phone number, or you can link directly to their website in the description area below. If you need legal help, contact us, as you pay for a review that will give you options and the pros and cons of taking the matter further, whether that be to continue with a complaint process or to go to court. So see our video on pre-court protocol. You can also subscribe free. Please like this video and share this video, as you never know who it might help. Thank you.